Hello, my name is Jose Ojeda and today I'm going to show you how to set up Raygun for your Xamarin projects. Raygun is an application that helps you debug your projects. So what it does is it saves all the information about the crashes and have like a repository of crashes for each application. So let me show you how it works. First, you have to log in on your account or create an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Oops. After that, you have to create an application. In this case, we're going to use iOS, and I'm going to create the Android also. So let's start with an application. It's going to be Xamarin test app. Start with iOS, and here they have the instructions. So you have to get a package from NuGet. So that's what we're going to do. Here we have, I already have this, so I'm going to delete it so you can see the complete process. So I'm going to go to my iOS project and I'm going to add a package. And I'm going to search for the Raygun for .NET. I really don't know the difference between this one and this one, but this is the correct one. So I already add the reference and I'm going to open the main screen, the main class, I guess, and I grab this line of code. And put it here. And I'm going to resolve that using, and that's pretty much it. So every time the application crash is going to be on your dashboard on the Raygun side. So let's go and do the same for the Android version. So we need to create a different application for that. So we're going to create an application that's going to be Xamarin test Android. And here we're going to select Xamarin Android. And the process is pretty much the same. We have to add the package and add the line. So let's go to package, add package. Oops. Sorry, sometimes I forgot that I'm in a Mac computer and I use the same copy paste command on the keyboard as Windows. So this is the one we want. So let's go and add it. And I think that's it. It's already here. So we go to the main activity. And we add this line. I'm going to put it here. And we're going to resolve the reference. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the dashboard. So we don't have any data here because I haven't run the application even once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw an exception. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to throw an exception after I set up the client. So I'm going to throw new exception. Something bad happened. So this is just to replicate a real problem, but Um, it's just an example actually, but when your application crash, you will get all the information from the exception that happened. So let's run this and see what happens. So this application is going to try to load, just show the loading screen, and throw an exception before it loads the Xamarin Forms application, but it's okay. Loading. And it crashed, something happened. That's line 25. Line 25 deception. So I think if we refresh this, we're going to have something here. Maybe it's going to take a few moments before we got. See, there's an exception here. Something bad happened. So in your code, you don't have to catch the exceptions. You only need to let them happen, so you can have all the information you need, because some people add like silent exceptions, and that's not like a good idea, I believe. So in the next step, I'm going to show you. I'm going to create an exception here in the Xamarin Forms app within the app class. So you'll see that it doesn't only catch the Android exceptions, it catch all the exceptions that happen within the application. So I'm going to add a new a new problem here. I'm going to what can we do that throws an exception? Let's do a new exception. Throw a new exception, because I can't think of anything right now. And this is going to be error from Xamarin Forms PCL. This is a PCL, I believe. Yes, a PCL. So I'm going to run this again. And see what happened. We have the emulator here. Oh, stop. Great. So let's see, we have one active here. Let's try to reload this. We should have two. Yeah. This is the one that we have before, and this is the second one. So you should take a look to, for example, it says that the activity number and the line number, and then in the main activity, so it gives you like the stack call for the code. So you will have to take a look to this. And that's pretty much it. You have to learn how to give meaning to this kind of error, but this is better than ask the end user, hey, what happened? What were you doing when the deception happened? So I think that it's pretty much it. So maybe in the next tutorial I'm going to explain a little bit more or on how can you interpret this information. So let me know if you have any doubts about it, and I think this product is really great and it's not that expensive. I'm still using the free version, but I think that it's worth the price, I guess. So thanks for your time, and I see you on my next tutorial.